Alright, welcome back. I only have a few pieces of it, but what I want to do is I want to clean some of this chrome work up. So I just grabbed that, the good old never dull. I don't have much time. I got a couple things happening, but I figured I'd knock something out. I got about 20 minutes, so why not play around? Yeah, I'm gonna just hit all this all these chrome pieces from inside the car. So we're just gonna try. I'm gonna sit here and buff everything down. I got one molding. I got a couple other moldings, but like I previously said, everything's got paint on it. So I got to use gasoline, and that will the little brush. I forgot what it is. But then you use the brush, get all that taken care of, and then I can go back through and I can actually buff everything out. But for now, I'm gonna just take care of this. Only got a few pieces I can really mess with right now. Like that one, I already hit this one. Looks a lot better. You can still see a lot of dimples. So when I go to redo everything, I'm gonna polish it with a wheel. See if we can get some of them scratches out too. But that's what it looked like before. So close that one. Looks like shit. So then I got the molding too. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this too. Maybe clean it up. I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see what happens. All right, I think it cleaned it up pretty nice. Definitely gonna have to polish it though, because it's still got bumps in it. But this is a big piece. I don't want to sit there and scrub. It needs to be. Man, it's pretty bad. It's not too bad. I like it. I'm gonna just have to hit it with an actual polish though, because sitting here at that never dull for that long is not gonna happen. This is perfect for the small pieces, but that's it. Unfortunately, this is the only molding I have off the car right now. Well, I got the 2 front pieces too, but they, like I said, they still got paint on them. We're back at it again today. I'm finished up this wiring. And then all my turn signals, everything should be good to go. And then we'll move on to the next step, which is 1,000 other things on this fucking car, as we've already talked about. Alright guys, so I'm at somehow when I open this up, this garage, which it was already up, which is weird because I brought the speaker in after, I guess it leaked, and now my speaker's got water all over it, so I'm just trying to dry it without getting back out this damn car. Is this trunk, man. Getting in and out of this trunk is so much fun. Said no one ever. Oh, man. Alright, now I'm pretty certain I've got this, everything's all tapped in, everything's soldered up, everything's good to go. We're gonna click that key and double check, but I gotta put some power to the car. So now let's see and let's pray that everything worked out right. So forward. Alright, here we go. We're gonna go left. Alright, we still got left. Still going left. Perfect. We're going right. And we're still going right. Cool. Alright, everything's all wired up correctly. It started storming. It got real cold again. I hate this cold weather shit. Let me check these out. Look at that. That's cool. Alright, so those are the hazards and they work. So that's awesome. Perfect. Alright. So, that's everything. Oh, let me check them running lights. I just want to be sure. Bam. They are bright too. I can't see if that one's on. We're good to go. Alright, on to the next one. So this is all done. Alright, I got some things I need to take care of, and I will be back shortly. So, I'm tired. Finally got a little downtime, so I'm going to use it to my advantage. I got some things I got to take care of with the house, so I'm going to give this car a little break. Obviously the wires are good, everything's good to go. I'm waiting on a few small pieces and some stuff in the mail to actually finish up with the wiring, and then I'll be done. I jumped the gun with this. Usually I would never do that. I wait until I have everything so that way I can take care of it all at once. I hate having to take things back apart more than once. It's never fun. Yeah, she's done, man. So I just got a little bit more things and then we're gonna get her to paint. Once she's painted, we'll be good to go. These door jams kill me. Got the upper light lenses in there. Well, not the lenses, the actual gaskets. They're not bolted yet because, like I said, I'm still waiting on some pieces. Waiting for the blue LEDs so I can run the wiring in there. And I didn't think about it until I was on that side, and as you clearly see, that one's put together. That one's put together. So now I get to take stuff back apart. That's about it. We're gonna do a quick tune-up. I'm gonna do some plugs and wires on this. Oil change. Obviously I've had so many problems with the trans, it's pretty much been flushed by this point. I have a few things I need to wire up as far as the turn signals on the sides. For some crazy reason they cut them. I don't understand why. I don't really know why. I also come to find out after a little bit more paying attention, there's no bulbs. Well, there's a bulb in there, but they're not hooked up. Nothing's plugged in. I'm not sure if they cut them too. So I'm gonna have to get in there and figure out what's going on. But as of now, that's it. I'll see you guys another day.